Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sana Mehrotra. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, by this time you must have already knowing that what I'm going to do in this video by the title. So yes, I'm going to recreate Jacqueline Fernandez's Genda Phool look. So she looked extremely hot and beautiful in that video. So I just wanted to create this makeup look. So guys, she looks extremely stunning in that song. So I guess she has 3 looks in that video. So she looks extremely mesmerizing in all the 3 outfits. I just loved it. So if we talk about the bong look, it was so beautiful. I just love that look. So I just wanted to recreate that look for you guys. So here I am for you guys. I'm creating this makeup look and outfit. So guys, she looks so gorgeous that I have just zoomed into the video in order to observe what makeup she has done so that I can recreate it for you guys. And look what my recreation has turned out to be. I think I am somewhat close to her. So do let me know कि आपको भी लगता है कि मैं close हूँ कि नहीं उसके, I mean makeup look के. So yeah, without further ado, let's get quickly into the video. So guys, before starting, let me tell you, she has a full glam makeup with a little bit of smokiness along with the hint of pink on her eyes. So I'll try and get as close as possible to her look. So let's get started. So I'll first start with prepping my skin. So she has a dewy finish on her face. So for that dewy finish and glowing look, I am using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Glow Toner. And then I'll massage it into my skin. So guys, I'm starting with the eyebrows, then I'll quickly jump into the eyeshadow. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this Savannah palette and I am using the light brown shade in it. So guys, I'm done with the eyebrows. Now I am going to conceal around my eyebrow area to give it a finished look. That is it. I have concealed around my eyebrow area. Then I'll be using concealer as my eyeshadow base. So for that I'm using a flat brush. I'm doing the eyeshadow first so that if there is any fallout, वो मैं easily clean कर सकूँ अपने base करने के time पे. Guys, I'm using the compact powder to pack this base. Now I'll quickly start with the eye makeup. So guys, for eyeshadow I'll be using two eyeshadow palettes. The first is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in 06 code, and the other one is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Shade is Rose in the Air. So for my transition shade I'll be using this peachy brownish color. For that I'm using a fluffy brush. So guys, I'm going to use this pink eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it with the transition color. Because she has a hint of pink on her eyes. So guys, I'm going to use this dark pink color below my crease to give that depth and smokiness to my eyes. And I am using a less fluffier brush than the previous one. I'm using the previous brush to blend it out evenly. Guys, if you go to her look, you will see that she has a pop-up color, a shimmery color at the center of her eyes. So for that I am going to do a cut crease and I am using a concealer for that. Now guys, I am going to use this shimmery shade. So guys, you don't have to blend it properly, you just have to pat it. Now I'm going to blend it all together. Now I'm going to do the same on this eye and then I will see you guys. So guys, now I'll start with my base. So for my base, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. This is a very good foundation and blends very quickly into my skin, and it even does not oxidizes on my skin. So I'm using a blender and I'll be blending it into my skin. So guys, now I'm using this Fit Me concealer in the shade Light to brighten up my face. So I'll be using it on my inner corners, on bridge of my nose, a little bit on my cupid's bow, and my chin area. Basically the areas where I need to brighten up. So I'm using the same blender to blend it. So guys, now I am using this Fit Me concealer in the shade Natural Buff to pack all my foundation in. So I'll first be packing my concealer before it creases. Then I'm using the same tool to pack all my foundation in. So guys, if you see her look, you can see that there is a sharp contour and bronzing going on her face. So I'll try and achieve that look. So for that I'm using my Sugar Contour G4's mini bronzer in the shade 01 Top Topper. So for blush, she looks extremely rosy and fleshed, so I might overdo blush over here. So for that I'm using this Color Bar Sweet Scarlet blush. She has a very glam makeup, but her highlighter was very subtle, so that's what I'm going to do. So for my highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm using my fan brush. Look at that glow. She has a very thin eyeliner and she has smudged it out, so I'm gonna draw a thin liner and then I'll smudge it. So for my liner I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. Then for my eyelashes, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal waterproof liner. Ooh, damn. This is so good, man. I'm using this for the first time and I'm so impressed. See the difference? Wow, this is so good. Look at this, guys. Impressive. Impressive. So guys, for my lower lash line, I'm going to use this peachy eyeshadow, and I'll be using it below my lash line. So guys, I'm left with lipstick now. So for that, if you see her makeup, she has a kind of pinky brown lipstick. So for that I'm using this Maybelline Touch of Spice. If it is too pinky, then I'll apply another lipstick on top of it. Yes, it is. So now I'll use Nykaa Golden Matte Lip and Cheek Tint. It is in the shade, which shade is this? Carry. So guys, this is the final look. I'm going to quickly accessorize myself, do my hair, and then I'll show you my final look. So guys, I'm back. I have fully accessorized myself. I have put on a bangle, red bindi for that bong look, and then this neck piece, earring, and I'm full set for that Genda Phool look. So guys, I have tried so hard to achieve this look and makeup. So as you can see, I have done soft curls, no heat curls. So for that, if you want to see how I have achieved this hair, so you can watch my recent video. Link will be in the description box. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this recreation video, and do let me know in the comment section, was I somewhere close to her or not. And you guys already know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take proper care of yourselves, take proper precautions, and I love you guys, and you know that. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.